everybody. Bowman Hobby. Pick your color number 66. Thank you guys for the fill. Oh, don't worry. Don't be sorry. Sorry, if I'm looking down when I'm writing my notes and stuff like that, I'm not looking at the chat. Good luck. Well, I don't know. I don't know if YouTube's giving issues or whatnot. I have no clue. Guys, I might only have another case or two of Bowman Hobby left. So definitely enjoy this while you guys can. We won't be doing many more 2 boxes after this. To be honest with you, I'm a little worried. I need Flagship to hurry up and come out because I'm about to run out of Topps Chrome Megas, it feels like. Feels like I only got like another 15, 20 cases max of Megas and that's it. Oh yeah, that happens to me all the time, Styles. Because if your TV buffer, and that happens to me so frequently. All right. Good luck, guys. Let's see something big out of this. We have not had anything big. No big colors or nothing. Watkins on the gold. Reptilian to 50. Speaking of that, Skeet walking away with a Watkins on the kill. Not bad at all. Gold Reptilian to 50. True Blue Auto. Grahovic on the True Blue. LeBron James on the mini diamonds. That's kind of sick. I don't think I've ever hit one. Thiero to 299. Red rookie of Elijah Martin. Ooh. That's why I didn't over sweat it. True Blue Auto Cycle gets J-Dubs. Oh, I thought that was going to be massive. I thought that was going to be something beyond massive. Hero to 150. He is good. He is good. He is good. I don't think it's a. I think it's a sticker auto though. I don't think it's on card. Could be. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. I was thinking it was gonna be a top name rookie or like a or like a LeBron because it said base chrome auto blue. So that could have been technically like a LeBron, a Steph, you know. That's why I just ripped it. I didn't say shit. I was like, let's just pull it. Get surprised afterwards. I like J Dubs a lot too. I do. Stack 2. Come on, we're due to see something big. Behringer red rookie. Base auto of Cam Whitmore. Purple of Duran to 199. I'm just so tired of hitting him. Speckle of Ayla McDonald. Durant. Booker. Richardson. Purple of Young Hansen. And Michael Rataj on a purple autograph. Oh. Yellow yellow X Factor of Kobe White. Oh, this was not a great break. Nice J-Dub auto. That was about all I really got out of that. Behind the Juju Watkins to 50. Yeah, that was dust. I hope the case ain't dead. I got two more boxes. I got 2 more boxes. You can't tell me the only thing that we had in the case was a Jalen Williams auto and a crystallized ace. I hope not. I don't even think we had or maybe we had one orange. I don't remember. I hope we have another super again or something. Recap. Ozzy, if you want something, honestly, I'll give you a small deal on something for sure. Nice Watkins to 50. J-Dubs on the blue auto. I swear I thought that was going to be something more. That's why I didn't say nothing. I didn't even say anything. I just ripped it and it still didn't work. Bowman 66. Thank you, guys.